Hi guys!
Welcome to Pokedoodle. What are we drawing today?
We're drawing a cupcake.
We're drawing a cute cat cupcake. Hope you
There
enjoy the
we go.
video.
Right guys, we're going to start with the bottom.
Yep, we're going to start with the cupcake bottom. So I'm going to start right at the bottom of the page here. I'm going to do firstly a curve across the middle of the page, just like this. So it's not too wide, but just in the centre there. And then it's going to go up on either side, just like that. And then we're going to draw the base of the cupcake where it looks all tasty. So it's going to spill over the edge a little bit on this side. And then it's going to go like this, all the way around.
I'm ahead of you again.
Well
Why
done.
do I always get ahead of you?
Because you're super quick and super good at drawing. And then we're going to go up a little bit just like that to meet in the middle. And then I'm going to start drawing the cat's face. So it's going to be a cat cupcake, isn't it? Super tasty cat cupcake. So it's going to come round just like this.
It's basically like a real cat in the cupcake.
Is that what you're going to do?
Yeah.
Mine's a decorated cat. So they made the cupcake to look like a cat. And it's going to come up just like that. And we're going to stop towards the top of his head. And then I'm going to add his cat ears. So it's going to come up and around just like that. And the same on the side just over here. And then we're going to draw the inner bit of the ear. So it's going to be close to the outer bit there. And the same on this side too. Then we've got his ears, and then we're going to add a big dollop of cream on his head. So it's going to come round like
yours.
this. I love yours, super cute. I love how you got it perfect, and the little paws as well. They're going to look really cute. And then, so we're going to curl the cream round like this, and then it's going to go up and over just behind his ear. And then we're going to curl it around just like this again on top. So that's the first layer of the cream, and then we're going to do exactly the same for the next bit. So it's going to curl around just like that, and then we're going to curl it round just like that again, and then we're going to add another one.
I'm going to do the cream last because it's a bit hard
Oh yeah.
for me.
And then we're going to draw a nice cherry on top. So it's going to come up like that, and it's going to curl around.
The eyes though.
No. And then we're going to add the stalk. Be long and thin like that, and then we'll just fill in the back of the cherry just like that. And then you're right, we need to do the eyes next.
I'm ahead of you because I already done the eyes.
Well done. So I'm going to draw the left eye first. So it's going to be just underneath this part of the ear. It's neatly lined up, and it's going to be a big round eye just like that. And then I'm going to draw another one just on this side so that the right side of the eye is lined up with the ear just there. So it's going to go up and round again, just like that. And then I'm going to leave a bit of a white space there for the pupils and where they're looking. Now I'm going to draw a cute cat nose. So it's going to be a little oval between their eyes, just underneath, just like that. And then I'm going to draw the cute cat mouth. So it's going to come out from the left eye, just into the nose, and then round like that. And then I'm going to draw the mouth being open, so it's going to be just like this. And then we're going to draw the tongue in there afterwards.
And I'm drawing lines.
Oh, lovely, I love yours. And then I think you're right, we should do some lines, shouldn't we? So it's going to curl from the base up to the cupcake, just like that. Don't worry how many you do.
I'm doing lots of
We curl them a little bit inwards on both sides. Then it looks a bit more 3D, doesn't it?
This time mine is bigger.
Yeah. Normally I'm the one who does massive drawings, aren't I?
Like levels.
Yeah. Okay, and now I think I want to add some whiskers. I wonder what sweets would be on the cupcake for whiskers. What do you think? What sweets would you put on your cupcake for whiskers?
Pocky.
Would you use Pocky?
Yeah.
With straight whiskers. Straight across the face. Nice. And then I think what we can do is, when we colour it in, we can add some decorations like sprinkles on this bit. Ready to colour in?
Yes. So these are how they turned out. My dad went for a realistic one, and I went for just like an animated one.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.